So it's Easter Sunday, and met up with Kevster again, and we're on our way walking from Castle Donington to Loughborough, about 11.5 miles I think, through Diseworth, along Whatton, Zouch, and into Loughborough.
Going down the old canal then, what I want?
Yes, we're going to start off on the Grand Union Canal and see how far we can get. Weather permitting, might carry the route on to Leicester tomorrow. Not today, a bit too far. We just picked up the airport path, the path that goes around the airport, and we'll be coming past the aerodrome in a minute. Oh yeah, I've never noticed it. Airport Trail, Diseworth. Already a bit exactly, and then water a bit more nice, I'll find some patches. There's a lake here, not much water in. Oh shit. Oh, that's heavy. I'm worried for a minute. I know these ones are getting brave. A bit skittish, they were. Quick! Oh fuck, we're coming! Do you think we're going to feed them?
Yeah, you.
You're hard, isn't it? Thought you were going to... We're friendly, look. Friendly.
Hell now.
Crikey, I'm glad they weren't friendly in there. Just coming through Diseworth now, just been chased by some friendly cows. Well, I think they were friendly, but we had some fun and games getting through the field. When was the last time you'd been through there, Kev?
Say that again?
When was the last time you were through there?
A couple of years ago.
Oh right, so yeah.
I took you saying bolt, running from about 20 of them monsters. So yeah, a couple of years ago I think.
Is this the A42? Crossing the A42. It's quite busy. Well, we've made it to Long Whatton. Where's next? Zouch.
Zouch, Yeah, Zouch and Donington on Soar, something like that.
Yep. How many miles have we done?
5.2.
Got 6.43 remaining, it says. It's all downhill apart from a little hill. A minute.
Drink.
This is in Hathern. Doing a bit of road work. I think we're going to be going back into the fields in a minute, picking up the river or canal. So far they're looking a bit more docile than the last lot. I think it's going to rain if they're laying down. Is that the... Oh, don't look like it, does it? Made it through. I'm a little scared of this one. What time of year does a chain link ferry run? Chain ferry 20 metres stop. Is that the pub you go to? Yeah, I've never been. There's a chain ferry, we don't need to take it, but we're going to have a ride on it just for the fun. You're doing it by hand, poor thing.
Yeah, great times on the spin. So give him 20 quid and say we want to go back a full 5 times.
I'm wondering if is there a route on the other side or?
No, I think it's a dead end, mate. Pretty sure it's a dead end anyway.
Yeah, it's no good for us, is it?
right off the beaten, you know what I mean?
So I didn't realise it was hand powered.
Not done that before.
What did it just hit something or? Oh, cheers. Whee.
There you go, mate.
How much is it?
Yeah, I'll only get, yeah.
Oh, that's all right, mate. Go on.
You sure?
Yeah.
I'll get us a beer at Loughborough if you want.
Hey?
I'll get us a beer at Loughborough.
Sounds like a plan.
I think you got a better deal there.
That was a chain link ferry. No point in us taking it just for the crack. Yeah, it was nice, peaceful on there, isn't it?
Yeah, very nice.
Oh, lost it. So, well, this must be the start of the Grand Union Canal, is it?
It is indeed, mate. This is the start.
The idea is to carry on down here to all the way to Brentford. I've worked it out at 8 days walking and doing it in 2-day stints, either camping or stopping in B&Bs along the way and getting the bus or train to and from where I finish off each day. That's the plan anyway. We'll see what the weather's like over the next few weeks and see if I'm still motivated for it or not. Here we have the Titanic. Oh, someone's just dumped it, haven't they? There's 2 of them, look.
Lovely under there, isn't it?
Yeah. Bumble behind me. Go on. Yeah, but it costs some money. I think it is the Canal and River Trust to charity.
Quite possibly.
That's us coming into Loughborough Wharf, and the spur that goes off to Leicester going left. That'll be the next stage, Loughborough to Leicester.